Hey y'all, good morning. I'm gonna get ready for church and I'm not doing much. I'm not wearing much. I didn't want to get too dressy. So the outfits of the morning will be regular white t-shirt from Walmart. Um, Still got the tag on it. And I got it for $2 surprisingly. And then these pants from Clara. Let's go watch, let's go necklace, let's go bracelet. I don't know which earrings I want to do yet. And then I'm going to do my pray, wait, and trust bracelet. So I already did my eyebrows and stuff off camera. Sometimes they be taking too much time. But anyway, let's go ahead and put these clothes on because I got to go. And on my Viva La Juicy beauty spot. It's so weird doing this without a mirror. So I got these dupes from all over the place just to smell good. And most of this stuff still laying. Okay, so this is the full fit together. The white V-neck with the bell bottom pants and some brown shoes that I got off Temu. So it all came together real good.
Say, Lord, I want to be your witness for you. I want to be a witness for you.
Okay, first of all, I know church had to be really good today because I came to Ollie's to get one thing, and that was some home smell good stuff. And Bestie got me over here looking at these daily gratitudes. I have something like this at home already. But you can never go wrong with these. Like if you just need to get out your phone for a second, stop scrolling social media and get in your word. Get in your word. Kitty, you seen these over here? Like the daily bread, pretty much reading every day. You know, like the things that I be reading every day. You about to need this. Daily strength, overcoming depression, fear, anxiety. Well, not saying you need it like that, but you know, like that little book that I had when I just be flipping through. Oh, they got it for it's $6.99. They got months on here. Girl, they got it for July. Give all your worries to him because he cares about you. Lord, what October say? I command you to move today. Finding God's will for your life. Thanking God and answer prayers. Offer yourself as a living sacrifice. Take a step of faith. Be joyful. Follow your unparalleled soul. Baby, I don't know where I want to start. Authentically, uniquely you. Yeah, look at this everyday Bible. This thing is huge. Goodness gracious. $25. Trying to see if I want. Okay, this is what I originally came for. And for a plug-in and a plug thing for $4.49 is not bad. Not bad at all. Jesus. Yeah. I'm so tempted to get these doggone bows though. Therefore, when I get ready to eat cereal, it'll be in something little like this and not them big wide bowls. Shoot. Oh, I like this. Life happens, coffee helps. And, I need some more towels for sure. All right, y'all. Church with Bestie was great. See you in the next one. Bye, y'all.